Welcome to the age of distraction, where attention is the #1 resource everyone is vying for. We've got a little secret to share with you that can turn your world around in a few minutes. Are you ready? You see, the average human attention span is only 8 seconds long, and we've got not one, but 2 incredible types of neurons in our brain to aid us with our attention: the inhibitory and the excitatory. As kids, we're all using our excitatory neuron, which absorbs information. Learning is a blast, and our brains are like sponges, soaking up information on everything. But as adults, we switch off that neuron, and the inhibitory neuron becomes stronger and blocks information. It takes over. We're flooded with information, and it feels like a never-ending storm, so we protect ourselves by blocking additional information coming. And that's where animated videos come to the rescue. They flip the switch and wake up both types of neurons in our brains, helping us absorb more information while having fun. Animated videos are not just entertaining, they're brain boosters. They engage your visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning models, triggering emotions. Emotions are the ticket. They are the secret key to unlock your audience's excitatory neurons and activate your audience's brain. So they're in learning mode once again. Evoking emotion in any kind of communication can hold your audience's attention longer, making knowledge stick like glue. Whether you're in HR, internal communications, knowledge and information management, education, operations, marketing, sales, or a role which requires you to skillfully communicate with your team or your bosses, animated videos can help. And the best part? You don't have to be a professional animator to use this superpower. With our services, we will bring your ideas to life and create animated videos for you. So what are you waiting for? Join the animated revolution, and let's turn those sleeping neurons into learning powerhouses. Visit our website at www.keybit11.com and let's get started today.